Yes, good morning, second class children. Are you all ready for the class? So yesterday teacher gave 3 question answers, isn't it? And today I'm going to give you 2 more question answers, then we will stop this lesson. Okay, children? And I'll give some simple drawing. You should have to do it at home in your science class notebook. Okay? So be ready for that. Come on, get ready, children. And the next question is, be ready for that. Why do we eat? Productive food we completed. Why do we need food we completed? Now we are going to write, why should we eat different kinds of food? Come on, write down the 4th question now. The same lesson number 6 we are going to complete. We are going to start and we are going to complete with 2 question answers. Come on, write down. Why should we eat? Write down very neatly. Why should we eat? Why should we eat different kinds of food? Why should we eat different kinds of food? Okay. Why should we eat different kinds of food? Now come on, write the answer for this. Why we should have to eat the different kinds of food? We should eat different kinds of food because we should eat, write very neat handwriting, we should eat different kinds of food we should eat different kinds of food. We should eat different kinds of food because it helps us in because it helps us in giving energy and we should eat different kinds of food because it helps us in to give energy, because it helps us to give energy and to build our body, and it builds our body strong, and it builds our body okay. You write this answer simple, this is enough, and I do not make it I do not extend the answer because it helps us to give energy, because it helps us to give more energy. Okay, children, why should we eat different kinds of food? Why should we eat different? Because we should eat different kinds of food because it helps us to gives energy. It helps us to give energy, not gives, it is give. It helps us to give energy. Is it clear, children, now? So come on, say all of you, why should we eat different kinds of food? We should eat different kinds of food because it helps us to give energy, because it helps us to give energy. Okay, children? Okay. The next one. Get ready for the 5th question. Get ready for the 5th question. Now I'll ask you the one more question. It's a general question. Okay. Why should we eat? Why should we avoid eating? Why should we avoid eating junk food? Avoid eating junk food such as chips and such as pizza, chips and burger. Why we should have to avoid these all the things? What is the reason? Can you able to say? Why should we avoid eating junk food such as pizza, chips and burger? Why we should have to avoid? And so many times your parents they used to say, and being a teachers we are insisting you, please children don't eat junk food. Why we are all insisting you not to eat all the junk food? Yes, if you take much and more junk food, what happens? Why you should not take the junk food? If you take more junk food, you may fall sick. Okay, so this is the reason you should not take the junk food. Get ready for the answer. Now get ready. Write down the answer. Pizza. Write down. Pizza, chips and burger. Pizza, chips and burger are junk food. Burger or pizza, junk, chips and burgers are junk food. Are junk foods. We should not eat. Why we should not eat? We should not eat junk food. It makes us fat and ill. Okay. So we should avoid eating all those. We can write like this. Wait, children. I will write once again. Very short and come on, right now. We should avoid eating. We should always avoid eating junk food. Avoid eating junk food. We should always avoid eating junk food. Okay. Why we should not eat junk food? Why? Because what is the reason? What is the reason? We should always avoid eating junk food. Why? Because it makes us fat. Because it makes us fat. It makes us fat and ill. It makes us fat and ill. Is it clear, children? This is for this because this is the reason why we should not eat the junk food. Now spell the word of because. B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Because. Okay. It makes us. Because it makes us. M-A-K-E-S. Makes us. Okay, children. Come on, right, say now. We should always avoid eating junk food because it makes us fat and ill. We should always avoid eating junk food because it makes us fat and ill. Is it clear now? So this is the two more questions which I had given today for you. The next one is for you. Next question is drawing. We'll go for the pictures. Now you draw any two energy giving food. Draw or paste, you can do. Draw any two energy giving food. Energy giving food. Okay. And protect two energy giving food. Body building food. If you want to paste, you can paste it or you can draw any pictures. Okay. Two body building food and two protective food. And two protective food. homework for you all. Okay. So draw or paste. You can do either pasting or drawing. You can do. Okay. Either you draw or paste. It's never mind. You can do any two. Collect the two pictures or two. Draw the pictures of two energy giving food, two bodybuilding food, and two protective food. Now you make a one menu, small menu. One more homework is second homework is prepare a menu of what your birthday party. Okay, what are things? But I don't want to say any junk food in that. You should not add any junk food. Prepare a menu for your birthday party. You should have to menu means ఏంటి లిస్ట్ తయారు చేయండి. మీ బర్త్డే పార్టీకి ఏమేమి పెడతారు పార్టీకి ఫర్ యువర్ బర్త్డే. మీ బర్త్డే ఉంటే ఆ రోజు పార్టీలో ఏమేమి పెడతారు, ఎలా మెను పెడతారు పిల్లలు ఫ్రెండ్స్కి ఇవ్వడానికి. వాట్ ఆర్ ద లిస్ట్ యూ విల్ ప్రిపేర్, వాట్ ఆర్ ద థింగ్స్ యూ విల్ యాడ్ ఫర్ దెమ్ టు గివ్ in a birthday party. What are the things you will give for them to eat? Okay, but you should not add the junk food. Try to avoid junk food. You should not add any junk food in this menu. Okay, try to avoid junk food. You should not add junk food. Without adding junk food only I want the list. Okay, okay, list prepare cheyandi. Any items undaru dantlo 6 items. I want how many items? 6 items should be there in the birthday party. So you prepare it and show me now. Okay, so you take your own time. So Monday again I will ask, or Saturday again I will ask you this two homework I will ask you. Please try to complete by Monday. Okay, this drawing, and you prepare a birthday party menu, but you should not add the junk food. I don't want to say any pizza, burger or chips or other things, but I want the without junk food items. You have to prepare one menu for the birthday party, your birthday party or your friend's birthday party, never mind. Okay, so thank you children, take care. So we'll see in the next session with a new lesson we will start. Okay, so our lesson has completed with the drawing and pasting work. So I will send it in the text message and go through it. Okay, thank you children.